You gonna be a painter like Uncle Ernie? Jenna, you gonna be a painter like Uncle Ernie? What are you gonna paint? What's gonna be your first masterpiece? Uh-oh. Are you gonna paint? Mm-hmm. Oh. Paint the window. Yep. She's gonna be awesome. You lost your woozy, Jenna. You lost your woozy. So, aren't you gonna get it? There you go. You don't want to lose it. Now come sit in your chair. Take your break. There you go. There you go. It's like the Godfather in our little tracksuit. Okay, Jenna, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. She said it. Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave? Bye-bye.